How to create Spotify blend in your Spotify app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your Spotify blend in your Spotify app. So to create a Spotify blend, then you have to make sure that your Spotify was updated on your device. After that, you have to go for your Spotify and open it on your device. So here you have to go for your source, which is on the bottom of your screen. And on the source option, you have to go for blend. You have to click on the blend here. After searching on the blend, you have to click on the blend and go for a create a blend. So to create a blend in your Spotify, you have to invite friend to blend. You have to invite up to 10 friends to blend as a shared playlist that gives you social recommendation based on all of your music tastes. So you have to note that people in this blend will be able to add their friend. We may also create other playlists that include social recommendation. So this is the page how you can create a blend in your Spotify. So you have to invite your friend by sharing your link through your Messenger, Instagram or other social medias. So that's the process how to make a Spotify blend playlist with your friend in your Spotify. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.